Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 15 minutes chart of gold USD in front of us. Yes, today I'm not in my usual 1 hour time frame, 4 hours time frame. The volatility of the market is low. Market is not showing much moves. So as a result, I have shifted or switched to the 15 minutes time frame. But before I proceed with the video, I would like to give a big thanks to each and every one of you who have wished me on my birthday. To be honest, I never imagined that I will receive so much love and support. Okay, thank you so much. But one thing I would like to mention here is that okay, there are scams running in my name, especially in Telegram groups. To be honest, I do not have any Telegram group. So my dear friends, if you're part of any Telegram group by the name of the trader next door, then it's a scam. Because yesterday also I saw that when you people were wishing me on my birthday, there were scams, okay, that were replying on behalf of me. For example, see, new Telegram details for more updates on FX trade, class and trading, traders for profit. These are all scams, just using my name and my photo. Please stay away. So again, I'm repeating, I do not have any Telegram channel by the name the Trader Next Door or anything like that. If you're part of it, then please be aware because it's a scam. Okay. And anyways, thank you so much. So let's talk about the chart of gold. So first of all, DXY. So DXY right now standing at 105.65. So as expected, as discussed in my earlier video, that 105.50 to 105.40 will be the support, and yes, this level is already acting as the new support for the market. Why? Not only we have some support from the Fibonacci or the pivot, but the previous resistance is right now acting as support here, and market is mostly waiting for the NFP. NFP is a big market event, so which is tomorrow. So as a result, market is mostly silent, and there's a high chance, high possibility that market will remain like this till tomorrow. So as a result, you can expect the market to respect the support of 105.40 to 105.50. And in case during the US session market shows extreme volatility, then that's a different chapter. But if the market remains like this, then you can expect the market to trade within this range only. Okay, same goes with gold also. As I said, market is waiting for NFP. So as a result, there's a high chance that market will remain silent. So the resistance for gold right now is 1823 to 1824.50, the high made by the market yesterday. And as already discussed in my previous video, that the big resistance on the chart of gold is around 1828 to 1831.50, and I think market will remain within this range only before the NFP, because right now gold is trading at 1812. As we all know that the market sentiment is not very positive right now. Dollar is bullish, gold is bearish, so there's a high chance that gold will be heading lower only. In fact, we have already seen on the monthly chart that for the last 40 to 50 years, since 1975, gold has not shown any bullish strength or have given a bullish closing green candle on the monthly chart. So as a result, the sentiment is bearish because March is considered as the worst performing month for gold. We have seen in the market showing strong price rejections in the month of March. So as a result, this move was not something we were not expecting. This move on the chart of gold was not unexpected, because already we discussed before the move that in the month of March, gold will show price rejection from above. So right now, gold is trading inside the range only. So during the day, if you see market going up, you can observe the market around 1823.24 level. If you see price rejection from above, if you see market is struggling around this area, you can easily go for a sell position. And if the volatility of the market remains like this, then yes, the level should work nicely. But in case during the US session, yes, listen to me carefully, in case during the US session, if you see DXY going down and gold going up sharply, then please try to avoid, because keep in mind the levels are not permanent in the market, but our capital is limited. So you need to take your decisions wisely. If you see price rejection from above, if you see market showing showing you patterns like bearish engulfing pattern, shootings up and down, only go for a sell position. In case market breaks it, don't need to do anything. Just wait for the market to hit the next resistance of 1828 to 1831.50. This is the next big resistance on the chart of gold. See, this resistance is not a very strong resistance, 1823.24. We are considering 1823.24 only because the volatility of the market is low right now. Okay, but technically 1828 to 1831.50 is a better level from where you can expect some reversal. If market reverses, you can go for a sell position. So these two are the resistances for the day. As the volatility of the market is low, so we are expecting market to reverse from 1823.24 level. In case heavy volatility comes during the day, this will not work because this is a minor resistance. This is a good resistance, so I think market should respect 1828 to 1831.50. On the other hand, we do not have any immediate support. As already discussed, the support of 1809, okay, 1809 is there. Okay, if market goes down, then yes, you can expect the market to take some support. If not a complete trend reversal, you can expect a move of at least 30-35 pips. If the volatility of the market remains like this, you can see market is going down, forming small candles. Okay, forming small candles means the volatility means that the selling pressure is not high. Candles like this shows that the selling pressure is high. Candles like this, okay, doesn't show that market is under the heavy dominance of sellers. Yes, overall the sentiment is not good. That I will not deny. We know it very well that the market sentiment is bearish. But yes, still you can expect a bounce of 30-35 pips. If you see market showing a hammer pattern, market showing price rejection from below and something like that. Price rejection on any time frame is important. And if market breaks 1809 level, you can take a sell around 1808. The next support will be 1804. Okay, actually, to be honest, 1804 to 1809, this is a whole support zone in the market. If you're looking for safe selling opportunity on the chart of gold, then your safe selling opportunity will only come below 1804 level. Because if market, yes, listen to me carefully, if market breaks 1804 level, then market will head towards the important level of 1790. Okay, so this level is important if you're looking for a good sell position in the market. Okay, 1804. If market breaks this level, then market will head lower and move towards the support of 1790, 1788 level. So as of now, market is not much volatile. So as a result, be careful and keep in mind that every time frame has a capacity. Every chart has a capacity. Right now market is not much volatile, so as a result, do not expect much and sit on the chart for hours and hours. Okay, so in this type of market, usually I think 30 to 40 pips is a good trade. So this is it, my dear friends, and as you already know, the world's most affordable forex trading workshop that I conduct in both Hindi and English is back again. The dates are 16th, 17th and 18th of March. Here is the timing for English classes and here's the timing for Hindi classes. दोनों language में होता है. So if you're a beginner, then this class is not for you. This class has been designed only for those people who have been struggling with the market, unable to make money for the last couple of months and years. The link is in the description. You'll also get to see a questionnaire so that you can understand whether the workshop will be useful or not. I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market, because yes, trading is really tough. The workshop is a part of the Pro Trader program. So No need to get confused. What is the Pro Trader program? What is the work? So it's a part of the Pro Trader program, and you'll also get to see the benefits of joining the Pro Trader program. Okay, so after the workshop, you'll receive support for 1 month. Okay, so that you don't feel lost. If you join now also, no need to worry. You'll still receive support for 1 month. So feel free to join now as well. So everything is in the website. Please go and check out if you're interested. Bye bye. Take care.